Okay, we got here part 2 of our discussion on how to easily convert linear equation in standard form to that of linear equation in slope y-intercept format. Okay, no? Let's start po with the standard form of linear equation. The standard form of linear equation goes like this po, no? Ax plus by is equal to c. Ito po yung tinatawag nating linear equation in standard format. Now, kung i-convert po natin ito sa i-convert natin ito sa linear equation in slope y-intercept format, ano po ang equivalent niya? The equivalent of this will be this. Y is equal to negative a over b x, okay, plus c over b. Okay, no? In some cases of students po, meron mga students na they try to convert it using the long way or process. Okay, ang tuturo po natin ngayon is paano mag-transform, no, ng linear equation in standard form to that of the linear equation in slope y-intercept format na napakadali, no. So bigay po tayo ng example ng linear equation. Let's say our linear equation is 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, using this equivalent equation po, no? Ano lang yung gagawin natin? Ang gagawin lang natin to transform and convert, isa-substitute lang po natin yung mga values, no, na meron dito sa standard format. For example, what is the value of a in this standard format? The value of a is 2. The value of b is 2. And the value of c is 4. Okay. So, alam na po natin yung mga values. Then, next thing that we will do is simply to substitute. No? Y is equal to negative a. What is the value of a? The value of a is 2. Over b. What is the value of b? The value of b is 2 also. No? So, x plus c. What is the value of c? 4. Over b. What is the value of b? 2. Okay, no? So, to simplify, this will become negative 2 divided by 2 will be negative 1 or negative x. Okay po? Plus 4 divided by 2 will leave us with 2. Okay, so ito na po yung equivalent no, of 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, ganun lang po kadali, no? Hindi na tayo nag-transpose or naglipat-lipat pa ng variables, but easily, no? Easily, no? And simply, ganun natin kabilis na i-convert and i-transform, no? From standard format to slope y-intercept format. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you.